Freeze the image. Swipe the screen from the left edge to the right. Tap the annotation icon. To add text from the library, scroll and tap to select an annotation. Drag the annotation to the desired position and tap to set. Repeat the above steps to add more annotations. Tap Add New to create a user-defined annotation. To add an arrow, tap the arrow symbol. Drag the arrow into position and rotate it to point at the target. To add a body mark, tap the body mark icon. Tap to select a body mark, then drag and rotate the transducer icon to depict scanning orientation. Tap Confirm. Drag the body mark to the desired location and tap to set. Tap the X symbol to delete. Tap Clear All to delete all annotations and body marks.